And here's my creamy shrimp carbonara with spinach and toasted bread. Let's eat! So gawa tayo ng carbonara sauce. Ayan, hinahabol natin ang oras. So, kailangan matapos siya in 20 minutes. So I saute garlic in a butter and then we're going to add our shrimp. And then let's season the shrimp with salt, garlic, pepper, garlic powder. Then let's add our cream cheese in the side. Habang pinapaluto natin ang ating shrimp in this other side. Para mag-melt yung ating cream cheese. Then nag-melt na yung ating cream cheese. Ilagay na natin yung ating carbonara sauce in a bottle. Mag-add lang tayo ng konting water. Konting water lang. And then, mix natin ang ating shrimp with carbonara sauce. So I'm going to add a heavy cream. Yan. Look at that. More cream here. Then I'm going to add lots of cheese. There you go. And last, we're going to add a spinach. Ito na ang ating napaka-creamy na carbonara sauce. Shrimp carbonara na favorite ng mga kiddos. There you go, guys. This is ready. Ayan. And paluto na rin yung aking pasta. So, tikman natin yung ating sauce. Perfect. Let's make a toasted bread. There you go, our toasted bread. So, perfect for our pasta, for our carbonara. There you go. The top. Look at that. Look at that. How creamy it is. Right, Rex?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I want more cream. Yeah. And can you give me the Parmesan cheese? Then let's add Parmesan cheese on the top. And add our toasted bread. There you go, guys. This is it. Ready to eat. Let's eat.